We're keeping here a little bit of flex in our toes, even if the knees are bent, to bring that stretch into the calves. We're feeling along the whole back of the body, from the toes to the soles of the feet, our calves, our hamstrings, all the way up through the spine till we reach our neck, finding this softness. Then as you next inhale, slowly lifting the gaze, uncurling the spine. You're going to slowly send it all the way back. So continuing to uncurl the spine until you come all the way back to lie flat onto your back. You can shift a little bit forward, like me. Releasing your whole body down to the mat, finding your Savasana. Arms are alongside the body, palms facing upwards. Just allow your mind, your thoughts to focus solely on your breathing, the in